Welcome back Easy English. Saying thank you.
I like your shirt.
Thank you. I bought it yesterday.
That was kind of you.
No problem. I'm happy to help.
Thanks for the ride.
Anytime. I'm glad I could give you a lift.
Thanks for helping me.
Don't mention it. I was glad to help.
Thank you for your time.
It was my pleasure to spend time with you.
I really appreciate your help.
I'm happy I could help you.
Thank you for everything.
You're always welcome.
This is for you.
Thank you so much. That's very sweet.
Dinner's on me tonight.
Thank you. That's very generous of you.
I brought you some cookies.
Wow. Thank you. They look delicious.
You're invited to our barbecue.
Thanks. I would love to come.
Here's your coffee.
Thanks a lot. I really needed this.
Let me know if you need help.
I will. Thanks again for offering.
Your total is $9.25.
Thanks. Here's the money.
You did a great job.
Thanks. That means a lot to me.
Your talk was very good.
Thank you. I worked hard on it.
You're so talented.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for inviting me. I had a good time.
Have a safe trip.
Thanks. I'll message you when I arrive.
Great seeing you.
It was great seeing you, too. Thanks again.
Meeting someone new.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, this is my first time visiting.
I've heard about you.
I hope you heard good things about me.
I'm Nancy.
I'm Jack. It's nice to meet you, Nancy.
Are you from here?
No, I'm originally from Seattle.
What brings you here?
I came to visit some friends.
Do you know anyone here?
Yes, I know a few people.
How do you know, Peter?
We went to college together.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for about a year.
What do you do?
I work in bank.
Do you like it?
Yes, I enjoy my job a lot.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, my office is downtown.
What do you do for fun?
I enjoy hiking and listening to music.
What music do you like?
I mostly listen to indie and jazz music.
Have you traveled much?
A little. I went to Europe last year.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like basketball.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have one dog.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my wife.
How's the weather here?
The weather is nice, but a little hot for me.
It's nice talking to you.
It's nice talking to you too.
Want to grab a coffee later?
Sure. I'd like that.
I'm glad we met.
I'm glad we met too.
Can I add you on Instagram?
Yes, of course you can.
Let's keep in touch.
Definitely. Let's stay in touch.
Expressing needs.
Can you help me with this box?
Sure, I can help you carry it.
I need some help.
Okay, tell me what you need help with.
Can I borrow your pen?
Of course. Here is my pen.
Do you have a charger?
Yes, I have an extra charger you can use.
I'll take the chicken sandwich.
Would you like fries with that?
Can I get a coffee?
Sure. Would you like it with milk?
I'm looking for sneakers.
What size do you need?
Do you have this in small?
Let me check in the back for you.
What time is the movie?
The movie starts at 6:30.
Where's the restroom?
The restroom is down the hall on the right.
I want to go for a walk.
That sounds nice. Let's go together.
I feel like a movie tonight.
Me, too. Let's watch something.
Can I open the window?
Sure. Go ahead and open it.
Let's order pizza.
Yes, I'm hungry. Let's order one.
I need to see a doctor.
Okay, I can take you to the clinic.
I'm thirsty.
Would you like a glass of water?
I need a break.
Yes, let's take a short break.
I don't feel well.
Do you want to lie down and rest?
I need someone to talk to.
I am here for you. You can talk to me.
I need some alone time.
I understand. Take your time.
I need a break.
Yes, let's take a short break.
I don't feel well.
Do you want to lie down and rest?
I need someone to talk to.
I am here for you. You can talk to me.
I need some alone time.
I understand. Take your time.
Greeting.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
How's it going?
It's going well. Thanks for asking.
What's up?
Not much. I just finished some work.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine today.
How have you been?
I've been good. Just a little busy.
What's going on?
Nothing special. Just working.
How's everything?
Everything is good with me.
Good to see you.
It's good to see you too.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Are you from here?
No. I'm from New York.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English.
Have we met before?
I don't think we have met before.
Long time no see.
Yes, it has been a long time.
Still working at the school.
Yes, I still work there.
How's your family?
My family is doing well, thank you.
How's work?
Work is very busy these days.
Didn't expect to see you here.
Yes, it's a small world.
How are you today?
I'm well today, thank you.
Thanks for coming.
It's my pleasure to be here.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. I'm just a little busy with work.
Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
What's new?
Not much is new. Everything is the same.
Catch you later.
Sure. See you later.
Is this a good time?
Yes, this is a good time.
Did I catch you at a bad time?
No, I am free right now.
How's your week been?
My week has been good so far.
You look nice.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Long time no see.
Yes, it has been a long time.
Thank you for everything.
Of course. You're always welcome.
This is for you.
Thank you so much. That's very sweet.
Dinner's on me tonight. Thank you. That's very generous of you. Please subscribe, like and share Easy English channel to get more video.